Oh, don't look. That would be better. Because we generally came in right there, just above us. Woo. Hi, Ocean. It's so nice to see you. We've had some pretty good extreme days in the past.
We have. We definitely.
Remember though, the one your dad was saying, like, don't go do anything too crazy.
I remember that. Yeah.
Okay, it's extreme day with Ocean. Oh, Whistler moguls. I just turned around in time. I just turned around in time to see this.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, that spot there, look at it.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, that's a bigger hike up than I thought. You know that? That's higher than it usually is. Usually it's down there. Yeah. Oh, who picked this? Honestly, didn't realize how much up this was. Usually it's more of an across, right? That's what I'm saying. It's usually there.
A few years ago.
It's usually there. So I think we're getting more skiing out of it. Rocks, Ocean. Hi, Rock. Oh, don't look down. This is probably going to be cruddy skiing, I bet. It feels really frozen. You. This is North Face High. Yeah, this is definitely higher than usual. Or maybe not. You know, I think this is higher than usual.
What?
I think usually you come in there. This is a higher spot because I've never been this high up. Look how close you are.
The year I did it, it was that high.
Yeah?
Yeah. But we had it in fresh snow.
Oh, some pow. Woo! That's probably all the pow we're gonna get.
Yeah.
That was pretty good, actually.
It was.
Yeah. Now we'll do this other little creeper into West Cirque here. This one's pretty shitty.
Is it?
Yeah, oh, somebody's pole's down there. Lots of rocks. So this one's gonna rock you out. So I'd say just go back. Yeah, it's really bad actually. It's you know what? Just go back. It's not worth it. It's generally just a little jump, but that's not a little jump. That's a, you can't even jump. More ski ballet maneuvers. I turned around. That was tough. Yeah, that was, could have done it, but I think honestly, you would have lost an edge. Oh, so many rocks. We can find that wind lip, we're good, right? Oh, that's not it. Oh my God, this is so steep. Holy crap. This is straight down. This is straight down. Look at this. I am not skiing down that.
No.
Holy. You can't tell that.
I thought you said you knew how to find it.
That's it.
Is it?
It's straight down.
Well, I thought you said you skied it before.
No, no. No, the one we skied was over there.
Oh.
So this one here, it's just over here. So this is mini Air Jordan here. Somewhere like right here. I just gotta remember here. Yeah, this is a spot. So that's mini Air Jordan right there.
Is it?
So we have to go, see that dead tree?
Yeah.
It's just, and then you kind of just go that way.
Okay.
Like once you get to that dead tree,
Yeah.
it kind of will open up.
Okay. I'm trusting you.
Yeah, this is it. But that other spot, I don't believe how steep that was. So that's a cliff, right?
Yeah.
That is a cliff. There's a way through here. You. Yeah, we're good. Just come follow me directly. Phew! We're a bit lower than I thought. It's all good though. We missed it by a bit. We needed to come in there. We're still good here. So I'm gonna try and get on that. See that pad there? Yeah. Actually, can you get through there? That would be better.
Maybe. You want me to give it a whirl?
Yeah, like if you can get through there and then over that one hump, that would be better. Because Jen and I came in right there, just above us.
Okay.
Yeah, that would be it doesn't really matter, but that would be, I would prefer to go there because then you're right into snow instead of having to hike up again to some snow.
Okay.
What do you think?
It looks like a little tight of a gully, but
Yeah, so you're still gonna have to hike up? Then I don't think it'll matter.
yeah, I think it's
This is just crap, but whatever. Yeah, go if you can go that way. There's a rock right there though. And then there's nothing below me. There's nothing below me.
okay.
Just so you know. Like, that's not good. Like, but I'm gonna make it. Oh. Okay. Oh. That's sketchy as hell. We definitely missed it, but whatever. You good, Ocean? Are you good? Yeah, that's a better move. If you can go up from there, that'd be better than what I did. Yeah, can you get up? This is what happens when Ocean skis with Rick. Are you good?
Yeah, it's not ideal.
Yeah, can you hike up a bit? That'd be what you want to do. It's like you only got to go up, what, 2 feet, right?
Yeah.
That big mound in front of you, that's trees. Like, honestly, if you can get up that couple of feet, you're going to love it. Well, you might not love it, but you'll be safer. Are you stuck? I don't know if there's room to go down that gully at all, is there? There you go. And then just come across. Hey, there's Ocean. Your dad's gonna see this video going like, what did he get you into? There you go. Yeah, your poles disappear, eh?
Huh?
Your poles disappear. They go in so far. Yeah, you got it. Nice. Yeah. There you go. Then just cut right over. Like, you're definitely in a better spot. This is really rocky down here than I am. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah, Jen and I came through the higher spot. Hey, I got 2 good powder turns.
Yeah.
We were over all that exposure there. That was that ridge we skied along.
Yeah.
Wow. I can't believe how steep the other spot was. I had no idea. I had no idea it was that steep. Wow.
That was a new section.
All right, let's get out of here.